Hello everybody, this is Daniel from China Gadgets Reviews. Thanks to Shenzhen Dong Technology, today we have another unboxing. This is the Blackview G98C car camcorder. Okay, this is the box. You can buy it from AliExpress for only $83 US. Okay, so we have GPS supported, support parking mode, support 1 second 1 shot. Here we have the device specification. Okay, speaker built-in, microphone support, memory card support up to 64 GB, photo resolution, and so on. Display size 2.7 inch. Okay, let's unbox this great device. So this is the camera. Okay, next this is the USB cable. This is the bracket, the stand, car support with sucker here. Okay, next this is the car charger. Okay, and next this is the user manual in Chinese, English and Russian. Okay, everything you need to know is in here. Okay, let's go further. Let's take a look at this nice device. As I told you, the display size is 2.7 inch. Okay, the micro SD card slot up to 64 GB. Here we have a lot of buttons: power button, menu, OK, next, previous, and mode. Okay, this is the mini high definition multimedia interface. Okay, the micro USB port and the GPS port, this. Okay, so like this, and plug the GPS here. Okay, so this great device has Umbrella A7LA70 chipset with super high definition mode, 5 megapixel CMOS sensor here. Okay, GPS tracker, as you can see, HDR, and so on. This was just the unboxing. Thank you for watching. Stay close for more. Don't forget to buy it or to offer it as a gift to your family, to your friends, for only $83 US from AliExpress. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.